Today we have welcomed over 1,500 employees. It's a remarkable fact that a newcomer joined us in the position of B category technician. B category technicians are taking care and are responsible for our aircraft safety and reliability on a daily basis. So we welcome all tech-savvy students to choose this qualification, to get this aviation technician certificates and join us and take this advantage of your own personal and career growth with us.
Hello, my name is Renāts. In 2011 I finished studying in TSE and went to work in England. And after 3 years I'm proud to come back in Latvia and join airBaltic team.